x raised to n into 3 raised to x. Yes, friend. Now, according to first principle of logarithm, y is equal to log e raised to x plus log x raised to n plus log 3 raised to x. Please check it. Are you sure? Okay. Now we have value of log e raised to x. It means we have derivative value of log e raised to x, and that is 1. So don't change it. Now can you apply rule number 3 for both the terms? Then you write y is equal to log e raised to x plus n log x plus x log e base 3. Think over, please. Is it? Are you getting? Yes, friend? Okay. Now it is a very simple. dy upon dx log e raised to x નું વિકલન શું થશે 1, as we know n is constant and derivative of 1 log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of x is 1 and this is constant. So your answer, final answer is please note down. Yes, my dear friend. Now next sum 32. Y is equal to e raised to x upon log x. Now we are using rule of division. U is equal to e raised to x and v is equal to log x. What is the rule of division? You know that. And du upon dx is equal to same value dv upon dx 1 upon x. Now apply rule of division. Then what is the rule of division? V du upon dx minus u dv upon dx all divided by v square. What is v? Yes, please. What is v? Log x, and du upon dx is same value e raised to x minus u e raised to x dv upon dx, and that is 1 upon x all divided by v square. Can you cancel anything? No. So taking e raised to x as a common factor, this will be log x minus 1 upon x divided by log x. You can write this as a answer. Otherwise, you have to write e raised to x log x minus 1 divided by x log x 12. Okay friends, you are getting these two answers. Next, second of 32, y is equal to 2 raised to x into x squared. U is equal to 2 raised to x and v is equal to x squared. Du upon dx 2 raised to x log e base 2 according to log a raised to x, derivative of a raised to x, and dv upon dx is equal to 2x. Now we have to apply rule of multiplication, and according to that dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U, what is u? U is a 2 raised to x and dv upon dx 2x plus v, what is v? And du upon dx is 2 raised to x log e base 2. Can you take anything as a common factor? Yes, x into 2 raised to x. So it will be 2 plus x into log e base 2. This is your answer. Now next, third of 32nd, y is equal to e raised to x into x raised to e. U is equal to e raised to x and v is equal to x raised to e. dy upon dx, du upon dx will remain same value, and dv upon dx e x raised to e minus 1. dy upon dx is equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. U, what is u? E raised to x dv upon dx, dv upon dx e x raised to e minus 1 plus v, what is v? X raised to e du upon dx. Is there any common factor? E raised to x, and yes, you write, take only e raised to x first, then e x raised to e into x raised to minus 1 plus x raised to e. Now you can take x raised to e as a common factor, then e divided by x, because it is a minus with minus power, plus this is your answer. Please note down. Yes, friend. May I rub it now? Okay. Next sum. Please do fast. Take picture. Okay. 33 y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by log x. U is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 and v is equal to log x. What will we have to apply here? Rule of division. Very good. Du upon dx is equal to 2x plus 2 and dv upon dx is equal to 1 upon x. dy upon dx is equal to v du upon dx minus u dv upon dx divided by v square. V, what is v? Log x du upon dx 2x plus 2 minus u. What is u? X square plus 2x plus 5 and dv upon dx divided by v square. Now open the bracket. 2x into log x plus 2 into log x. Log x into 2x, 2x log x into 2, 2 log x minus x square upon x minus 2x upon x minus 5 upon x divided by v square. 2x into log x plus 2 log x minus x minus 2 minus 5 upon x divided by log x all square is your answer. Next,